Hello everyone, happy Monday. It is a little windy today and a little cold, and I'm at work. I'm on my break, and look at that curl, it's so pretty. I wish all my hair had it like this, like curls, like look, can you even see it? Like this one all throughout. One day. Anyways, my hair is getting pretty long. Sorry, I'm very distracted clearly. Just wanted to say happy Monday. And I don't know what our plans are for today. Yeah, I don't know what the plans are for today. We'll see when we get home. I don't even have dinner planned. We have to go grocery shopping. Adulting sucks. Also, I'm wearing this turtleneck that I picked up at Target on Saturday, and I love it. I bought it because I'd seen it already, but I wasn't gonna get it, and then Jessica Braun was wearing it, and I saw it on sale for like half off, and it looked really cute on her, so I picked two colors up. Picked up this burgundy, but it's like a washed out burgundy. Why are there so many people out right now? I can't vlog like this. And then I picked up it's like a really pretty blue, light blue color. So I got those two. I kind of want more because they're $15 and they're pretty warm. Like, it keeps your neck really warm, but it's not like super snug, because when they're super snug it makes me feel like a little claustrophobic, but this one isn't. So I kind of need more. They have quite a few different colors, but I want more. I don't need more, so we'll see if I get more. That's a lot of more. I said more a lot of times. More and more. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to say hi, good morning, and I'll see you guys after work. Hello everyone, it is 6:02 p.m. and I just got home. Well, actually, I've been home for about like 30 minutes, and now I'm trying to figure out what dinner is gonna be. I think I'm just gonna pick through our freezer and just try to pull a bunch of stuff that we've had frozen from like when my mom was here, from things that I freeze that we don't finish, and see what we can get through, so that way we can make space for the new food that we have to go buy. So this is what our current situation is in the freezer. Not much left, but I like going through it and just throwing away a bunch of stuff that we just never ate, especially after it's been a while, just because I think it starts to change the flavor. And I mean, frozen food does expire. It just takes longer to expire than regular food. So yeah, so I'm just warming up a bunch of stuff in the microwave, defrosting, and trying to see what we can eat for dinner, but it's probably just gonna be a bunch of mumbo jumbo. All right, guys, so this is what dinner's gonna be. This is my mom's porotos con rienda. So pretty much what it is.
Beans with ropes.
Yeah, it translates to beans with ropes. So pretty much what it is beans with noodles, and then my mom added like a beef and corn and a few other things. Then we also have some milanesas that she made. So it's pretty much, I think it's similar to chicken fried steak, but like Argentinian style. So it's called milanesa. I don't know if you guys have ever had it, but it's delicious. I'm not sure if these are chicken or steak because she made both, and I don't know what that is.
It's mystery meat.
Yes, mystery meat. And then we have some pork ribs that were also frozen. These were not frozen. I just made these. They're just in the microwave, so they end up being like baked potatoes. And that's what dinner is going to be, a mixture of lots of random things. How do you feel about this?
I don't know. It looks pretty interesting, but it all smells pretty delicious, so
Yes.
I'm sure it could be good.
So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit after we're nice and full. Hello, everyone. It is 12:52 at night, obviously, and I woke up from a 10-hour nap that apparently my body needed, and now I feel very energized, and I feel like I could stay up all night, but I can't because I have to go to work tomorrow. So anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm out of breath. Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I have to go to sleep, even though I feel like I don't need to anymore. But I have work, and he has work. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We didn't really do much today. We just went to do returns at the mall. went to Hollister, returned a couple coats, and then went to like a few other stores to just see if they had other coats we wanted. Tried them on, just walked around the mall and came home. And then I fell asleep. So that was kind of what our afternoon consisted of. Nothing too fun. Tomorrow, though, I need to be more productive. So I don't know what we're going to do, but it definitely needs to be productive. But yeah, anyways, I'm just rambling. I just wanted to say goodnight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today and have been enjoying every day. If you haven't subscribed, please do so you can follow our Vlogmas, and don't forget to turn on your notification bells. And I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.